How to delete location history range on Google Maps. Hello guys, all what you have to do is easy. Go to Google Maps. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, and now click on your profile right here, and it will take you directly to your profile. Now all what you have to do is click on edit profile and click on profile and privacy settings. Now on this page you will find many settings options. Go to delete location history range, click on it and choose the start date and the end date and click continue right here. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.